Hi guys, welcome to Chili Pot Kitchen. My name is Darshini. As Thanksgiving is around the corner, I want to share a super delicious and creamy side dish vegetable au gratin recipe. I used an Instant Pot to steam the veggies and broiled it in my Instant Vertex Plus air fryer. If you don't have an Instant Pot, just boil the veggies in the stove top. If you don't have an air fryer, just do it in an oven. Vegetable au gratin is a steamed vegetables covered in a rich and creamy cheese sauce made in the Instant Pot and in the air fryer. This side dish is done in under 30 minutes from start to finish with less monitoring. It's a quick and easy side dish too. These homemade Instant Pot vegetable au gratin are always welcome at our dinner table, perfect complement to garlic bread, ham, pork, chicken and other entries. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make vegetable au gratin in the Instant Pot and in the air fryer. Check the list of veggies I have used, take a screenshot or check the description box below later. You can use any veggies of your choice. First, steam the veggies of your choice. I have given the link for the steamer basket in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. This is very handy for steaming. Add veggies into the steamer basket. Make sure to chop the veggies very small. Today I have taken half a cup of carrot, half a cup of beans, half a cup of cauliflower, half a cup of peas and half a cup of potatoes. I didn't steam the capsicum and sweet corn. I'm using the canned sweet corn, so I didn't steam that. Add 1 cup of water to the inner pot. Keep the basket inside the inner pot. Close the lid and make sure that the vent is in the sealing position. Select the manual or pressure cook mode. Cook on low pressure for 0 minutes. Yes, you hear me right, 0 minutes. If you want little bit cooked veggies, do it for 1 minute on high pressure. It depends on how you want the veggies to be. Make sure not to overcook. It's supposed to be half cooked. Once the Instant Pot is done cooking, do a quick release. Once the pressure is all released, open the lid carefully and take out the basket. Let the vegetables cool down completely. Let's make the white sauce now. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. Take a white saucepan or you can make it in the Instant Pot itself. Heat a pan in the medium heat or select the saute mode in the Instant Pot. Add butter. Let it melt. Clip the paper clip to the inner pot and the pot to avoid moving around. Add flour. Stir and cook well, ensuring the color doesn't change a lot. Add the milk slowly and gradually. Keep whisking to avoid lumps. Add salt, pepper, chili flakes, adjust as per your spice level, Italian seasoning and grated cheese. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Make sure the sauce is silky smooth without any lumps. Cancel the saute mode. Remove the pot. Add sweet corn. Don't forget to strain the water. Capsicum. Steamed veggies. Give it a quick mix. Let it keep it aside. Let's prepare a cheese topping. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To a bowl of cheese, add Italian seasoning, chili flakes and give it a quick mix. You can use the cheese how much ever you want. Grease the oven safe dish. Add the veggies mix into the greased baking dish. Make sure to use oven safe dishes. Sprinkle the cheese mixture and breadcrumbs over the veggies. Breadcrumbs gives a crispy layer. If you want, you can add it or just skip it. If you want to sprinkle some parsley, you can go ahead and sprinkle it. Preheat the oven to broil or air fryer at 350 Fahrenheit for a couple of minutes. Preheating is done. Keep the dish inside carefully. Bake the vegetables in the white sauce for 10 minutes in the air fryer or in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It's done now. Let's see. Wow, it has a very nice crispy layer on top. Serve it hot as a side with garlic bread, chicken or turkey. A super delicious vegetable au gratin is ready. Do try this delicious side dish for this Thanksgiving. Have fun with your family and friends. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.